Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some tips and tricks I've learned in getting rarer items like divine pets or divine seeds and even prismatic ones. So I know it's not going to work for everybody. Sometimes people get it in like their first and second try for some reasons, but for me it's a little bit hard to get lucky. So what you can do basically is you're going to stop hoping that you're going to get anything. That's what happened to me. So I really wanted the Wispwing seed. I think I opened it like on my I would say like 500th seed if I'm not mistaken. And everybody like easily got it. And I was like, wow. Then I stopped hoping and then I got it. Okay, that's probably not super helpful. But another helpful tip I've learned as well is opening items when it's near the update or when it's the update. I know that's because like the next update, this is probably going to be gone and you probably won't have any more chances. But on the last Beanstalk update, that's how I got which pet did I get? Oh, I literally have it here. Wait. Okay, the Griffin. I got the Griffin because I opened up the chest, the Beanstalk chest, when the update hit. So I instantly got it. And then I just got the Phoenix because I wasn't really searching for it. I think I knew when I got the when I got the Wispwing, I was like, okay, I don't want to hope anymore of anything else. And then I suddenly got the Phoenix for some strange reasons. But basically, you're going to also want to have a lot of the items as well. So as you can see, I only have a little bit. That's because I've already opened a lot. For the enchanted chest, maybe you'll want up till about 100. And then for enchanted seed pack, again, I did it I got it on my 500th try-ish, and I got 2 for some reasons. I didn't stop trying, and I haven't gotten the cockatrice yet, but I still have like 79, so hopefully in one of these eggs I do have it. But those are basically kind of like my tips and tricks to get like rarer plants, I guess. And sometimes you kind of want to open it a little bit closer to the event or on the event grounds itself. I know that sometimes it helps people to get the item they want, or if you're in the fairy world, maybe that could help as well. But yeah, I think that's how I got the seeds. I think I got Wispwing in the fairy world. Actually, I opened it downstairs. I don't remember. Or that's when I got the Aether fruit. I don't remember, but those are my tips and tricks. Let me know if that worked for you. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. At the end of the day, you'll also need a little bit of luck. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you'll get everything. The only thing I'm missing from this update is the cockatrice. I haven't gotten that one yet. Oh, and the the luminous bright. So that is it for this video. Just have a lot of these stocked up because you are going to need to open a lot for you to kind of reach rarer items. So I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.